Introducing KUMI Sneakers Classic KS model, the sustainable sneaker made for committed globe-trotters. KUMI Sneakers is synonym of respect and love for animals, sustainable fashion, and local economy support. Our mission is to create a community of globe-trotters that are committed to change the society we live in. The sneakers are based on an eco-sustainable principle. The materials are vegan, sustainable, and recycled.
Hello, we are Alexandra and Sergio, the founders of KUMI Sneakers. It's been a long process to find the perfect materials for the classic KS, since they are vegan, sustainable, and recycled. They are a combination of color and comfort.
The result is a light and high-quality sneaker. We love and also we respect animals, so our brand is cruelty-free.
Our sneakers are made in Spain. That way, we support local economy and help to reduce the transport CO2 emissions.
Also, we know that it's important to have a sustainable packaging and mailing, so our boxes are recycled and also our mailers are 100% compostable. We contribute to society in a transparent way in causes that we consider important, such as animal rights.
The main materials are corn and recycled plastic bottles that provide a resistant, flexible and soft upper. For the lining, we use a high-tech and eco-friendly microfiber that is treated with aloe vera. The insole is removable and recycled, made of PU, cork and EVA. The result is a soft, breathable and very comfortable sneaker. The laces are 100% cotton and the eyelets are nickel and chrome free. Thanks to its natural rubber outsole, the classic KS is super light, so it's not a problem to take them with you to any of your adventures. Enjoy your classic KS while travelling around the world, discovering new places, going to work, having fun with your friends or spending quality time with your family. You choose your adventure.